Here I have LG G8 2018, and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, choose settings. Here let's choose general. Scroll down, find and select battery and power saving, and you can enable the battery power saving by using the switcher. Power saving is enabled, as you can see right here. So at 15% of the battery, you will activate the power saving automatically, but you can also change this, for example, to immediately. And right now you can use the power saver, or you can use, for example, at 5% of the battery. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.